All right, here we are on 237, our staircase part 2. Let's take a look at our exercise directions. In this exercise, we're going to write another program that draws a staircase. As in the last staircase exercise, each stair should have a height and depth of 30. However, in this exercise, you should draw 4 stairs instead of 2, using a for loop to draw your staircase. The result should look like this. The starter code sets up Tracy facing north by making the initial call to left 90. And you know what? I might have deleted that. So you might have had a code that looked like this, 90. And again, that's just going to initially set Tracy up to move to that 90 degrees. So she's facing north, if you will. But now we need to start our for loop. So just like the others, for I in range. And we are going to do this, how many times? I believe 1, 2, 3, 4 times. All right. And again, we want to be nested inside this for loop, so we need our colon there. So when we press enter, you can see that we're tabbed inside of it. Again, if you're not, just take a look at your syntax. Do you have a colon? Do you have parentheses? All of those things. And so we are going to be moving forward now because we're facing north. Forward, what did they say? 30. So we're going to go 30. And then we are going to be now turning right by 90 degrees. Alright, and then we're going to move forward another 30 degrees. And we're going to turn left again 90 degrees. Alright, and that should be our program. That's good. I'm curious to run this. I'm not going to grade it yet. I'm going to run it. Tracy moves north. She's going up, and she is making a staircase, and she ends up the left. And I believe if I go to my grading, let me check my code, I do have some success there. Awesome. So again, the power of our for loop to do all those things. If we wanted to do that, that would be a long, long code if we didn't do the looping, if you will, 4 times. All right, there you go. Hit save and continue, and we're moving on to our next project.